I'm Tony. I'm with U.S. Fire Protection, and what you just saw was basically I have to cut some pipe. We changed the design in the collaboration room, so I had to change the piping. So basically, what you saw, just cutting the pipe, threading it, and then using a Teflon dope pipe sealant. And then, of course, at the end of that, we had an extra layer of sealant with the Teflon tape. And basically that's it. It's just a lot of pipe cutting and threading and mixing it up when you have to.
I noticed at the end you used some, maybe you put water or some
Oh,
special.
this is cutting oil. So
Cutting
whenever
oil.
you're cutting a pipe thread, you have to lubricate that in order for these pipe dyes, which are very expensive, so you don't wreck those. They have to be lubricated and cooled during the entire process. So that's what that's for. That's called the oiler, as you can see.
Very